Check it out, it's your host, Kenyon Long. Welcome to Short Form Tech. I am your host, man, and on this channel, I teach you tips and tricks to increase your social media footprint with short form video. So do like your mama does and your cousin does too, and hit that subscribe button, and you'll get that notification bell too. Just go ahead and boom, and you'll know when I drop a new video. Well, at least YouTube will tell you. All right, yo, man, I just hit 40,000 views on one TikTok. Not just one, not two, not three. All right, well, I think it's 3 TikToks right now, or 2 TikToks. But anyway, I hit 40,000 views, and even for me, y'all, it's been a minute since I got up there. The #1 trend on TikTok right now, it ain't the Junebug challenge. It is the complain about TikTok, and everybody will flood that. So here's another tip right now. I'll just go ahead and tell you, make a video complaining about TikTok, all right? And you'll get people talking about it and jumping in on the comments like, oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, man, they ain't showing my videos. So definitely, I don't know what the algorithm is doing, but I'm gonna tell you right now what I did on this one video. We're gonna break it down, fam. So I typed in the search bar retail worker to see if that was a hashtag, and sure it was. And so basically I clicked on that hashtag and seen the videos on that hashtag. And so on that, I saw what was getting a lot of traction for whatever the videos on that hashtag, and used a couple of their hashtags in there and added them together with my GameStop hashtag, which I searched on another GameStop employee. And then at the end, I wanted to add something that's related to gamers, right? And we all know what's related to gamers, Twitch. So I threw Twitch on there. Now you can throw something in there, whatever else you want to put on it, be specific. You know, I could have put Best Buy on there. I selected, then we all know what the secret sauce is. Selecting a sound, of course, fam. You know it's all about the sounds. You know it's all about the sounds. So until you big, when we get big, then you ain't gotta worry about it. We make our own sounds, all right? But other than that, right now, it's all about selecting a popular sound. And so the sound I've been doing videos on already is called, Oh, I Hope I Don't Fall, right? So everyone's doing that fall challenge, right? So I did it too. It didn't do much for me. But when I did this video hit 40K, 40K, it was just going crazy. Next thing you know, I seen people just like commenting. And, people are asking me in a Facebook group, how did you do it? How did you do it? How did you, why did this one particular video go crazy? Well, I think it's all those factors, man. It's saying Twitch, which is a big name, saying GameStop, which we all know that was trending. Also saying GameStop employees. I chose that. So that's like triggering GameStop employees. Now, if you ever worked at GameStop, you would know that GameStop is not a fun place to work. Okay, trust me, fam. Trust me. So these GameStop employees were complaining, and I really wanted to make it, really all about just retail, period. It really is for retail, period. But people just identified it with GameStop and just all about GameStop. And these employees are coming in, chiming in, asking questions. So I was just like, okay, finally the algorithm woke up, and the song worked, and that's how it is, man. That's the breakdown of how this video hit 40,000. So if you wanna know how to use green screens effectively like I use in these TikTok videos that help me, grow and get more views, check out these next 2 videos right now to get your green screen effects on point, fam, and I see you in those videos.